Stop. We have the body and we have the power. But our mystery build has no brain. It's out of control. To unlock piece number 3, we have to master the force of magnetism. Today, I'm building a DIY magnetic maze. If I can guide my player to the finish line without touching it, we unlock the most important bag yet. Hit that subscribe button and let's get moving. First, the labyrinth. I'm using a box lid and popsicle sticks to create traps and dead ends. Then, the player, I'm drawing a tiny version of me and sliding a paperclip onto the bottom. This is his secret metal suit. Finally, the controller. This magnet taped to a ruler is the brain. When I move it under the box, Creative Cody moves on top. It looks like magic, but it's pure science. Level 3. Complete. Now, give me the goods. It's a remote control receiver. We just found the brain, but it's missing a face. In part 4, we're doing a light-up challenge to give it eyes. Subscribe so you don't miss the glow.